What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video. Taking a look at a book cover keyboard that I picked up for my Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So I picked this device up again. Some changes going on over here at Will H Tech Review. So this is back in the house. A week or so ago, you guys saw me unbox the iPad Pro 12.9 2020 edition. Well, after having that for a little while, and I actually bought the 128 and decided that that wasn't enough storage. I sold it, picked up the 256 gigabyte, and I had a keyboard for it. After I added up the sum that I had spent, it was like I may as well have gotten the M1 edition. So I got rid of all of that. I ordered the 2021 iPad Pro 12.9 M1. It should be here in a few weeks. And I didn't have a tablet, so I was looking around. I decided to pick up the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus again. I had it before. I liked it, got rid of it. And this time around, I decided to pick up the book cover keyboard because I didn't have that before. So that's how we get to this point. It's crazy. Will H Tech Review going to get all this together sooner or later, but that's what's going to happen. The M1 is coming on the iPad Pro 12.9. I'm going to have this to use, as I go about my day. And I got the cover because I think this is a good addition to that. Best Buy has this for $129 right now. It's another reason why I picked it up. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Guys see, Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, Tab S7 Plus 5G. So here's the back of it. Book cover keyboard. Antimicrobial property is applied as a coating to protect the book cover. PC-like keyboard experience and optimized for Android. Larger keys and touchpad. FM keys align with Samsung Windows PC and Android. Specific keys, detachable keyboard, free angle stop hinge, and embedded S Pen holder. So that is all you get on the packaging. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what we got. Alright, so there's a little spot over here where you can just kind of break this open and get in there. Then you just pull this like this and get the keyboard out. Alright, so get the box out of the way. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the keyboard. So keyboard case cover. So here's the back piece of it here. This has a rubbery feel to it, plastic, very thin, as you guys see. This is where your S Pen is going to go. It tells you which way the S Pen is supposed to face. On the back of it, you got Samsung there, and this does have a kickstand as well, right there. Very thin. Let's get that out of the way. Next, we got a little instructions guide here. And this will tell you everything you need to know about the cover keyboard. There's some gestures as well with this, I think, that you can use. And so here's the keyboard. So you got your pogo pins there that fit on your tablet. You got your function row up here, as you guys see, escape, brightness, volume up and down, pause, forward, play, finder, decks, shortcut key to your decks. You got your little trackpad, clicky. All of this is plastic feeling. The keys have a little bit of traveling feedback, but it's incredibly thin, as you guys see here. And then here's the back of it, a plastic material that feels very light. This is very light, and there are gestures and shortcuts as well with this keyboard. So let's go ahead and get this back piece on the tablet. The only thing I can see so far that it's not going to be too great, it is not backlit. So here it is on the tablet. As you can see, doesn't add a whole lot of bulk. You just line it up with your camera there. your S Pen. Let's go ahead and show you the kickstand here. So if you want to use this and not have the keyboard on it, you got different angles that you can use this kickstand. The S Pen fits in here. Now it has to face a certain way for it to charge. Just like that. Let's get out of this. So there it is, and that's the look you get. Simple enough to take the S Pen out, drop it back in. Should see it's charging. Let's go ahead and get it hooked up to the keyboard. Now the pins are here, and you just, whoo, that's a strong magnet, man. It's asking me, do I want to go ahead and turn on DeX when it's connected? I'm going to cancel that for now. And let's take a look at the keyboard functions here. So let me go ahead and open up something. Let's open up the Play Store. I can escape there. Let's see what this key, F1. Okay, this brings up your shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. And this will give you a whole list of all your shortcuts here that you can do. You got DeX mode, switch languages, capture window, lock screen, keyboard shortcuts, notifications. So you have a whole host of shortcuts to use with this. This key here brings up your recent apps. When you use it with the FN, gonna escape. The next key over, it's not doing anything. I'm not sure what that key is for. Let's try that again. And then you got your brightness level here. That works great. As you see, brighten and dim the screen. The next key over, that turns off your touchpad. There it is. You got your volume up and down here. Reverse, forward, and play. Finder. So Finder brings up your search. And then you have your DeX key. Now, if you press this without pressing FN, it's going to take a screenshot. Now, you can mark that up, send it wherever you want or whatever. When you press the DeX key and the FN, it goes into DeX. Takes you right into the DeX functionality here. So now we're in DeX. I'm going to get out of DeX for now. Exit DeX. Go back into the regular tablet. And then you have your delete button over here. The arrow keys here work great, as you guys see. The trackpad works great. Let's see if we got the two-finger gesture to go home on the trackpad. So if I swipe up here, yep, you can go home. So you got your different gestures and stuff that you can use with your trackpad. The keys, let's go ahead and search something here. See, games. So the keys feel good to type on. No issue there. Got to escape. Go home. So yeah, man, the only issue I see is no backlighting on it. But it seems to work great. This is going to be good for me to carry. Here's the whole package together. Looks very professional. Looks very good. Not very thick. Very easy to throw in your bag. You got a nice size screen with an excellent keyboard and trackpad. So, all right, guys, this is the Samsung book cover keyboard case for your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. Will H Tech Review. I'm out.